My Frigidaire gallery microwave keeps blowing fuses. The first time it did it was about 3 weeks ago. We got it about 14 months ago. I replaced the fuse and it blew again 1 week later. So do I just replace the fuse again and hope it's going to be okay? Model no. FGMB 176 NTF.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire microwave? What have you tried so far?
It just happened about 3 weeks ago. I replaced the fuse, and it blew again 1 week later.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It just happened about 3 weeks ago. I replaced the fuse, and it blew again 1 week later.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. When does it blow the fuse while cooking or opening or closing the door?
Opening and closing.
Okay, thanks. With my experience, one of the door switches are faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. There are 3. They are located behind the control panel. The best way to determine is to check them with a voltmeter for continuity. There are updated switches for this model. You will need to order and replace these part numbers, ######. You can order them from appdepot.com, repairclinic.com or even Amazon to save you money.
Thank you.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. You may have to log into the app or JustAnswer.com to rate me.
Your knowledge has been very valuable. I will give you a good rating.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. Are you still there? Sorry, I seen the question still open. Please don't forget to rate me.
No problem.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.